If you see price versus while money flow low and trades in favor low on the 1 day as we're testing this resistance, this is likely where we're going to see a break to the upside. However, if we're testing structure support and you see price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, this is where we're more likely to break to the downside. Today is November 13th and Ethereum rejected structure resistance at 2,142 before dropping all the way down to structure support at 2,020 exactly as predicted. Now we are trading within this small channel pattern, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think Ethereum is heading next and when we could be breaking out, as well as how to call the next move. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with TradeConfident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. We're so excited to share this information with you, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Welcome to the channel. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, you can find our indicator Black Friday sale with 80% off our indicators at the first link. You can join our membership with 88 wins, 0 losses, daily crypto metrics, and $1 million profit account challenge at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Before we jump into the analysis, just a couple of announcements. For our trade setups here, we have a brand new trade win bringing us to 88 wins, 0 losses, and we have 2 new active trades, one with a 7% take profit and one with a 10% take profit. As we move into the bull market, we'll be looking for larger and larger trade wins, so stay tuned for that. We have a brand new future forecast out with a scary week ahead for Bitcoin. What are you going to do? Travis is going to describe what he expects to happen through this next week and what he's doing about it so you can follow along. With that, let's head down to the Ethereum metrics, and the very first metric I'm taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. As of right now, we are sitting in excited territory. Typically, this will actually be bearish. You'll see back here, move down, back here, move down, back here, move down, but this has not been the case recently as we've transitioned into the bull market. Things are looking a little bit more bullish right now. I think we could see a rejection just as we did recently for a move back down, and if that happens, I'll be looking for a move down into neutral. Once we see a neutral reading, that'll be extremely bullish and could actually indicate a breakout from our current structure resistance. Next up, let's take a look at the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We have seen extreme volatility in Ethereum over the past few days, but it's very likely we're going to see some horizontal movement moving forward. And as we do, just as we saw right here with lower volatility, this is where we're likely to touch into the breakout zone again. Whenever we touch near the breakout zone, this is where you're seeing insanely volatile moves in the market. In fact, both of the recent pumps were actually called this way as we sat near the breakout zone. Keep an eye out for that as we move on to see what whales are doing using the whale smart money metric. Where while money goes, the price is likely to go too. And we recently saw massive short trade sentiment from whales. This did result in moves down, but it was very short-lived, and while we are still seeing short trade sentiment, it seems like it's not nearly as pressing as it was before. I think as the price increases, we will see an increase in short trade sentiment again, where we'd likely see a drop back to the downside. Next up, I want to show you what whales are doing right this second with the whale money flow relative to price chart. Right now, we are seeing a mass exodus of whale money from this market, despite the fact that Ethereum is actually increasing in price. This is major bearish divergence and typically will result in moves down. But as we stand, retail traders are actually keeping the price of Ethereum up pretty high. So whale money will have a little bit more room to move down. And as soon as it begins moving back up again, this could signal a test of structure resistance and a possible breakout, causing a short squeeze and a pump to the upside. Next up, let's take a look at major Ethereum support and resistance levels. We currently have structure support at $2,029. This is the level that we rejected recently and have begun moving back up from. As we retest structure resistance, which I'll show you on the live chart, I think we're going to retest that structure support again. And last but not least, we have Ethereum trade signals chart. We received a sell signal, which resulted in a move down, as is typically expected. But keep in mind, these sell signals, as we transition into the bull market, are likely to be very short-lived. Bearish signals must be invalidated in order for the bull markets to start, so keep that in mind as we move forward. And later on, I'm going to show you how to mitigate this and make your indicators even more accurate. If you're an Ethereum trader, you need to pay very close attention to the Ethereum metrics. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and along with the Ethereum, members get access to all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website. Members get access to the future forecast videos, trade setups, morning brew overview, inner circle live Zoom hangouts every single month, and massive indicator coupon codes. If you want to get access to all this and more, Just check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership's going to be the second link. Click that. The full access membership for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Keep in mind, this is a limited time special. You're going to want to lock in your membership prices now because price increases are coming soon. All the benefits I just showed you and more, just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at Ethereum USD on the one-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder price versus one money flow and trades in favor indicators. As I said in the beginning, we pumped all the way up to structure resistance, retested this, and dropped back down to structure support, and are now likely to trade within this range for a short amount of time. We received a sell signal as price versus one money flow was high and trades in favor was high with a 74% chance of a drop, and that drop is exactly what we got. Very, very consistent as this works. Sell signal, price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high with the drop. See, this is great for the one-day time frame, but as we trade within a smaller range, we need to be looking at the 4-hour time frame, and here's why. This is much more sensitive. You can still see sell signal, price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, but since then the price has dropped significantly. Price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low, didn't get a buy signal, but as we test structure support, that's going to be bullish anyways. Since then, price versus well money flow has shown well money moving into the market, and as we get closer and closer to structure resistance at $2,142, we do have price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high again. I do think we have a little bit more room to move up there, but once we hit that level, and if we get a sell signal again, we will be expecting moves straight back down through the rest of this week. Once again, I think we're going to trade within this level, and as we test each structure resistance and support, what you're actually going to want to do is check back on the one-day time frame. If you see price versus well money flow low and trades in favor low on the one day as we're testing this resistance, this is likely where we're going to see a break to the upside. However, if we're testing structure support and you see price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, this is where we're more likely to break to the downside. Now that'll take a couple of weeks to play out, and that's why we're paying attention to both the 4-hour and one-day time frames. As the price increases on the 4-hour time frame, I'm actually going to be looking for a sell signal once again, and the way I'm going to be able to do that, even if I'm away from the computer, is using alerts. Okay, so I was about to show you how to set sell signals in order to catch the next move down, but literally as I was doing that, a sell signal posted on Ethereum for the 4-hour time frame. So at this point, we're actually to be looking, as we said, for moves back down at this point to $2,020. As the price drops, what we're going to do instead is set signals for a possible buy signal on the 4-hour time frame. Let's switch it up. Clock icon, I'm going to actually delete these two, the Ethereum sell and strong sell signals. For Ethereum USD, we're going to select the TC top and bottom finder, keep it at a buy signal, then click once per bar close. Name it, I'm going to call it Ethereum 4-hour buy, click create. Make another alert, TC top and bottom finder, and instead we're going to select the strong buy, once per bar close. Name it Ethereum 4-hour strong buy, click create. And now these two signals on the 4-hour time frame, as the price drops, if we get a buy or a strong buy signal, these alerts are going to let us know even if we're away from our computer. Just make sure your notifications are turned on, and when you see that, you can make your next move. Ideally looking to catch the next move up in Ethereum, because from this structure support, this could result in about a 6% move, which is a very easy, very quick take profit. First though, from the current price, we do need to see a drop of about 4% to hit that structure support at $2,020. So keep that in mind. Watch these alerts, and if you want to get access to these insane indicators that have helped us win 88 wins, 0 losses in a row, and are helping us through our trades every single day, you can get them for a massive 80% discount on our Black Friday sale. Check it out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Black Friday indicator sale. Just go ahead and scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get a massive $250 off right off the bat for Black Friday. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. Go ahead and click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this. Throw in the membership discount code, then fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you $400 off the TC top and bottom finder, giving you a massive $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the brand new future forecast video. Don't miss out.